2023 Pilot Crash Test. Side Impact Crashworthiness Evaluation, SICE 2.0. The fourth-generation Pilot is the class leader in SUV standard safety features and performance thanks to advanced active and passive safety technology that includes the latest version of Honda's Advanced Compatibility Engineering (AC) architecture, world's first airbag technology, and an expanded Honda sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technologies. ACE now features a new structure optimized and integrated into front subframe and side frame that improves Pilot's crash compatibility with smaller vehicles and occupant protection in oblique frontal collisions. Targeting today's top safety pick plus and NHTSA 5-star ratings, Pilot is designed to meet the new Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's IIHS Side Impact Crashworthiness Evaluation SICE 2.0 as well as anticipated future standards. Pilot features 8 standard airbags, including a next-gen passenger-side front airbag that uses a 3-chamber design with the 2 outer chambers designed to cradle the head and minimize rotation to minimize the potential for severe brain trauma associated with oblique frontal collisions. Front knee airbags are also standard. Pilot also features an updated Honda sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technologies enabled by a new camera with a wider 90-degree field of view and wide-angle radar with a 120-degree field of view. This wide angle improves collision prevention performance via improved ability to recognize attributes of objects, such as vehicles, bicycles or pedestrians, as well as white lines and road boundaries like curbs and road signs. Blind spot information, BSI, has been expanded, now with 82 feet of radar range. Also new are Traffic Jam Assist, TJA, and Traffic Sign Recognition, TSR, which are standard. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, with Low-Speed Follow and Lane Keeping Assist, LKAS, have been updated to feature more natural responses. Standard rear seatbelt reminder and rear seat reminder systems are also new to Pilot. The latter notifies drivers to check the rear seating area for children, pets or other precious cargo when exiting the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video. Please take a moment and give us a like or leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.